Magandang araw sa lahat. A criminal case or a criminal action is instituted in court by the filing of an information by the prosecutor of the National Prosecution Service of the Department of Justice. The procedure is that the court will then set the case for arraignment, pre-trial, and trial. Now, the question is, may the court refuse or forego the conduct of an arraignment, pre-trial, and trial? The answer is yes, in certain instances. So, for instance, an information was already filed in court. The court, of course, will then examine the records of the case, specifically the affidavits, for the purpose of determining whether there is probable cause for the issuance of a warrant of arrest. Now, suppose that after examining the record of the case, the court entertains doubt as to the existence of probable cause for the purpose of issuing a warrant of arrest. What will the court do? The court will then require the prosecutor to submit additional evidence. This is an instance that the court will not conduct an arraignment, pre-trial, and trial. Because, I repeat, because the court entertains doubt as to the existence of a probable cause for the purpose of issuing a warrant of arrest. This is classified as a judicial determination of probable cause. So, remember that there is no need of a motion. The accused need not file a motion. The court on its own or motu proprio will not schedule the case for arraignment, pre-trial, and trial. So, mga kababayan, kung ikaw ay akusado, siyempre, nagsampa na ng information or kaso yung fiskal doon sa hukuman. Hindi nangahulugan na arestuhin ka na agad at tuloy-tuloy na agad ang kaso. Hindi. Susuriin or pag-aaralan ito ng judge, ng hukom. Bosisihin niya itong affidavits, complaint affidavit ng nagreklamo at saka ng kanyang mga testigo. At kung nakasumiti ka ng counter affidavit, susuriin, pag-aaralan din ito ng hukom. Aba, kung makita ng hukom, ng judge na meron namang pagdududa kung merong probable cause para ikaw, akusado, ay isyuhan niya ng warrant of arrest, si judge ay hindi mag-issue ng warrant of arrest, hindi niya i-schedule ang kaso for arraignment, pre-trial and trial. Uutusan niya ang piskal magsumiti ng karagdagang ebidensya para malaman ng hukom na merong probable cause for the issuance of a warrant of arrest. So mga kababayan, ito yung isa sa mga sitwasyon kung saan ang korte ay hindi i-schedule for arraignment, pre-trial, and trial ang kaso dahil siya ay nagdududa kung merong probable cause para siya ay mag-issue ng warrant of arrest sa akusado. Ito'y mangyayari kahit na walang motion magmula o nanggagaling sa isang akusado. Maraming salamat at sana nakapaglingkod na naman itong aming tanggapan para sa kaalaman sa batas ng maraming mamamayang Pilipino. Maraming salamat at magandang araw sa lahat.